Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 9 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone had a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night. Got my partner, Steve Rhodes, with me. We're going to be growling and fouling for 2 hours here. We get some action after the close, folks. Amazon already come out with numbers. Amazon closed at 222. It's trading at 204 right now. So you got that baby down $20.
Coming all the way to the breakout of April 26th.
That's a beautiful thing. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. Cultivate wisdom. You don't need to accumulate knowledge to become wise. Anyone can become wise. When you become wise, you respect your body, you respect your mind, and you respect your soul. When you become wise, your life is controlled by your heart, not your head. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow up 26, NASDAQ up 4, S&P's up 2.5, gold contract up 11.80, trading out at 17.13. Silver up 52 cents at $32.14 an ounce. Platinum up 6.50 at 1,566. Light sweet crude up 44 cents, trading out at 86.17. Bonds down 23 ticks at 146.23. King dollar up 17 ticks, trading out at 80.19. The euro is at 129, and the yen, folks, is at 80.34. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? You made it to 1408. You're at 1410. My take here, folks, Amazon's down 20. Guess what, though? This market wants to bounce. This is going to be so much fun, I'm telling you, man, because it's sick. Okay, so what do you have? We did 670 million shares here. Now, we go over to the Dow Industrials, and this is, I want to get to the NASDAQ, because the NASDAQ where the fun's going to be. Dow Industrials up $26, no big deal. Inside the range, you know, we're going to get some kind of a bounce here. Now, what we haven't got is that we haven't got a downtick, we haven't got the trend read, and you get none of the above. But here, let's go over to Amazon.
So not a serious bottom yet.
Nothing.
That's right.
No,
yeah.
no. Now, Amazon. So check it out. Amazon, now, there was a gift from the trading gods with Amazon. What ended up happening is that someone got these numbers prior to the number. The last trade on Amazon at 8 minutes before 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, what happened is that Amazon traded from 228 down to 222. Monster volume. Someone threw a couple heavy trades in there. Okay, so now you're at 205 on Amazon. 208 now. Now check this out. So we go back to 208. Now what do you have here? Well, guess what? What's sticking out there at 214 is that swing low. The actual, let me pull this back. We get the year. The gap that's here, what is that gap?
That's when it's going after, 196.
Yeah, 196 the gap, you know, so but it is going after it.
Yeah, with it being a 204, it should be able to get down there.
Yeah, it should. It should, there's no doubt. And, okay, so now let's go over to Apple. Apple's going to be the number here, folks, okay? Now, what does Apple do? Apple come down again, 25 million shares. Now, this is where it's going to get wild. Intraday, the way Apple was trading, it's like, you know what, man? They can't break the stock, okay? So my take is that, guess what? Apple wants to go a lot lower on a longer basis, but short time at 430, I suspect that's going to bounce. That is going to put the NASDAQ in a bounce, and the NASDAQ is just doing a larger beat, well, ABC structure on the way down. We almost got to the, I think we did get to the first price point, actually. But that's the way this seems to be set up. Deviant? Oh, yeah, man. It's so deviant. It's a beautiful thing.
You can see the market, just the behavior this morning, right? This morning, you had the market pushing up, the bulls trying to take over.
Right.
11-ish or so. The bears clocked in at work. Tried pushing it down. Couldn't push it all the way down.
Well, look what the bears did. The bears turned around, closed their shots. You know, I every single time this thing, you know, was lower. Oh, I got a little bullhorn out. It's only a baby bullhorn for about another. This bullhorn that you're seeing right here, folks, is going to be for about another 45 minutes. Because I'm on one side right now. I got the sells on the other side, plus I got the sell shots on the other side. So I'm looking for about. I'd love to see about a 20 point NASDAQ future bounce.
Yeah. Well, at 1 o'clock, there was a nice little hammer candle on the 30-minute chart. And when Amazon came out with numbers, they tried to punch through it. Haven't been able to do it so far. So the bulls are out there.
Yeah, no doubt. And Apple folks absolutely took Pandora apart. You talk about,
that is wild.
Oh man, let me tell you something. So at 20 minutes of 4 Eastern Standard Time, Apple comes out and says, hey, guess what? We are going to start streaming radio, but we are going to start it early. Okay, and I think, watch this. Let's see. What happened, folks? Pandora went down 24% in a heartbeat. Apple and major music labels have intensified negotiations to start advertising-supported internet radio early next year. You know, you don't want Apple in the streaming radio business, folks. Pandora doesn't. Let me tell you that.
Yeah.
You know, because everyone that has, well, you're an Apple guy, okay?
It's kind of interesting because, you know, what's that a message for as far as iTunes?
It's probably going away. No, well,
So it'll be interesting to see their numbers and everything.
They're going to the next number. They're going to the next number.
Yeah.
The thing is, though, now check this out, though. This is what's amazing, okay? You know, this is Apple's next trick, and it's pretty intense, folks, because this is what it is. So check this out. If you look at the market cap of large, you can't even look at Clear Channel anymore. They'd be still the largest, okay, because they're a private company now. But in one fell swoop, what very well could happen, okay, is that Apple just turned around and
changing your radio business.
It's going to be the biggest radio business in the world.
For sure,
in the world. Not just,
okay,
and that's it. Without any more overhead. Oh, really? Oh, my God. Without any more overhead. That's sick. Might get me to be an Apple freak pretty soon. And it does affect Sirius Satellite, too, no doubt. You know, Sirius Satellite is built into the cars. But see, what's going to happen is this, okay? Particularly, you know, we're in the same business, and I knew from the get-go, okay? What's going to happen, and it makes no sense that it hasn't happened yet. Every radio, I mean, it should just be an internet. You're going to hit it, and it's going to be a station.
That's the direction it's going. It's going that way with television.
No, totally.
And that's what we do here with Tiger TV.
Totally.
You know, it's all device-driven.
Right. Big time. Big time, no doubt. And listen, folks, don't forget, Steve kicks off TFNN every trading day, Monday through Friday, bottom line, 9 a.m. Eastern Time. And you can get TFNN, folks, anywhere in the world, right in your browser, on your smartphone. Just put TFNN.mobi, okay? We stream live content 9 hours a day. We stream 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Something's going on right now.
Well, the Bulls are working a little overtime, so I'm curious as to what were the numbers reported for Amazon? Because it looked like it was bad news right out of the gate as far as revenue miss.
Right.
And right now you've got the market consuming it.
It's already back up. It's at 250. Yeah. Amazon, so, Jeff Bezos, man. I'm telling you, man, Jeff Bezos would be like betting against Steve Jobs. You don't bet against him. Do you know what I mean? These guys, I don't know what they eat in Silicon Valley, but they're eating something different, man.
He's had a few nicks, but he always comes right back.
You know, totally.
Right?
Totally.
You know?
Well, even
he's got his agenda. He knows what he's doing. And it's a little bit longer term plan. And if you don't want to buy into it, it's okay because he knows he's going to be right.
Right. No doubt. Big time. And he owns the business. What's really cool, folks, is that when you get a focus and you own the business, what owning the business specifically means is that you already know where you want it to go. You know how you're going to get it there, and you don't pay attention to anyone because it's your money, and basically, and that's what he knew. He knew right from the get-go. Yeah, right from the get-go, man. Just think about it. That it's just amazing. So here's the. Let's see what we got here. So, Living Social. Where are we?
So revenues are down.
Revenues, The estimate was $13.92 billion. It's 13.81. They see fourth quarter sales down also. Fourth quarter sales, the estimate was 22.82. They see 22.25 to 22.75. Not the end of the world for Amazon, though. You know what's funny about Amazon? Just even the name, the stock itself seems to be able to eat a lot of spinach. Like Popeye, right? Doesn't it seem that way, though? Do you know what I mean? If you remember, folks, Amazon, I forget what quarter, Amazon was down like $35 you know, when I come out with the numbers one quarter.
Right,
and the next morning it opened up. I mean, it was like, you know, he was sitting there eating spinach all night long. Steve Rhodes, Tom O'Brien, all you Tigers and Tigresses, you stay right there, folks. We have the Dow closed up 26, NASDAQ up 4, S&Ps are up 4.5, and Apple's going to be out at 4:30, folks. They're going to rock and roll. We're going to be right back.